Believe it or not, making tuna tartare at home is actually pretty simple. You just have to figure out what flavors you want to give to your tuna tartare and then go for it. Take a nice sharp knife, and you want everything to be really cold, right? And basically just cut nice slices out of your tuna, like so, and then cut little pieces out of that. So you'll just come down and cut little tiny diced pieces and then put that into a bowl. All right, now we're ready to toss everything together. The only thing I have left to cut, which I'm going to grab a clean knife for, is a little touch of cilantro right at the end. I have some fresh, small diced pineapple. And whenever you're putting fruit into a tartare, first of all, don't go crazy and use more fruit than the tuna. But also you want the dices to be about the same size as the tuna. Then I have some nice sliced scallions that are going in as well. Some ginger. I wanted to show you a couple different ways you could do it. This is cut by hand, but if you wanted, you can peel some with a spoon, and with a microplane, just microplane the ginger into your tuna, like so. Okay, remove that. And then we've got some nice fresh ginger in there that wasn't hard at all to cut. Finally, I have some salted roasted peanuts. If you are a nut allergy, like I am, then don't use them. Then I'm taking some fresh cilantro on the stem because I like some of the tender stem of the cilantro as well. Whenever I can, I use it. And just some rough cuts of cilantro, not too fine. I actually like finding bits of cilantro. If you're one of those people that do not enjoy cilantro and that just can't eat it, then don't use it. Perfectly fine. Soy sauce, essential. A tiny pinch of salt. I have a little sesame oil because I love it. And I feel like this needs a little heat as well, so I'm using some chili oil. But again, not too much. Mix this up really well. And if you want to make it extra especially pretty, then this is what we chefs do. I have this little mold. We call it a round cutter or mold. And you can really use anything that you have at home too to do this. And mine was sitting in ice cold, clean, ice cold water. And then you place your tartare ingredients in the center and just keep gently pressing down using a spoon. And there you have it, my version of this delicious dish, tuna tartare.